I was slurping in the thick, sticky mud when all of a sudden I found Charlie and Chase just chilling with blood-sucking parasites attached to them. They've been great friends of mine for as long as I could remember, so I had to help get these parasites removed. Stay back, Franklin. First, I helped Charlie. I hope you feel better now, Charlie.
Okay, that's one parasite down. Let's help the other shrimp.
Next, I helped Chase. Bye, little fella. Can't leave my boy Franklin hanging. Yeet!
Be sure to follow if you love ocean animals.